pwedeng tawagin ko si Miss Rosfe Badoy. Si Ma'am Rosfe Badoy. Okay?
Yung susunod, ano man?
Ang susunod mamaya si Cecil Estorque, be ready. Tapos si Janet. At saka sino pa ba? Si Salek Mangelin. Okay. Okay.
Hello, good evening. I'm Rosfe. Kilala nyo naman, di ba? I'm so glad to see you because I think for a long, long time I haven't seen most of you actually. And I must apologize. Many of you, nalimutan ko na talaga yung pangalan. And some of you I could not recognize even by sa face. Ano? Sorry lang talaga ha kasi I'm not very good at remembering names and faces. Ang mga estudyante ko, kinakalimutan ko rin after every semester. I'm a certified public accountant, by the way. I used to work with the Philippine National Bank, but then I left the bank and I decided to join the academe. Now, I'm with the University of Southeastern Philippines. I teach business, accounting, courses for the undergrad and in the master's program. So, Davao City-based na ako. Thanks.
Wala pa siyang asawa ha, single. Crush ng bayan, okay? Okay, next, sino susunod?